In this video, I will be explaining how you can make the round corners for the rectangle shape in Photoshop. So here you can see that on the left hand side, this is the toolbox and this is my rectangle tool. If you can't see the rectangle tool, all you have to do is just right click on the tool. For example, depending upon what tool has been selected, you will see this line tool, polygon tool, etc. And then you can right click on that and then select the rectangle tool in case other tools are selected. Once the rectangle tool is selected, just draw it like this, and what will happen is that the rectangle will be created, and you can see that it is filled with the foreground color, as you can see here, which you can change from here. And now interesting thing that I'm going to show you is how to make the round corner. So once you select this tool, you can see the properties of this tool on the right hand side. So if you select this, by default it is the corners are very sharp, but if you want to make the round corners, just select the second option, and then you can see these are the four corners. First left top, then this one is right top, this is the bottom right, and this is the left bottom. So you can take the mouse over these corners and then just drag on the right hand side. You can see it is automatically incrementing, and you will notice that these corners are now round corners. And similarly, you can play around with these settings. If you want to have, like, specific corner to be rounded, then you can click on this thing. So basically, by default what happens is that all the corners are linked together. That means if you make this corner as 44 pixels, then this is gonna apply for all the other corners, remaining corners. But you can remove this, and then what will happen is that you can adjust the corner settings for specific corner. For example, only this one. So I'm gonna just change this, and you can see only this corner is affected. That's it. Thanks for watching.